It is said that two trucks collided head-on the highway. As a result, the front of the car fused together. When the police carry out rescue operations, suddenly discovered a small car in the middle that had been flattened by a collision. Will high-speed collisions really merge cars together? The rumor Terminator expressed doubts about this. Adam spent several $100,000 to get two heavy trucks and a small car, because no one wants to be a driver. Jamie had to cram unwilling dummies into 3 cars. The experiment will use pulleys to drive 2 large trucks. 2 more trailers will provide traction power to achieve the goal of head-on collision. After parking the small car in the middle, heavy truck collision experiment officially begins. 2 trailers began to move slowly forward. With the coordination of pulleys, they successfully mobilized 2 large trucks on the field. As the speed continues to increase, 2 trucks are heading straight in the same direction. The speed is getting faster and faster at this time. The steel wire rope bears tremendous frictional force, continuously smoking. The current speed has reached 65 kilometers per hour. In this heart-wrenching moment, with a loud impact sound, in the end, the 2 cars collided into a ball at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The on-site situation is extremely dire. A huge amount of energy was generated during the impact. The small car in the middle was squeezed into a ball, but it didn't blend together. Adam believes that the speed is not fast enough. That's why it didn't cause the front of the car to merge together. So they came to the local science and technology university, preparing to purchase 24 aviation rockets as output power. This experiment will be conducted on a 500-meter track, then park a car at the finish line. They also added a reinforced concrete wall buffer. Rocket-powered sleds can collide with cars at a speed of 1,126 kilometers per hour. Perhaps this will enable the integration of cars. This sounds crazy. After Jamie welded out the power frame of the rocket, then they installed the frame on the sliding rail. Adam sprayed the car with prominent stripes, because this can better observe the impact situation of the car. Next, 24 rocket fuels will be sequentially loaded into 2 sets of frames. The weight of each aviation rocket propellant is 80 pounds. One can provide 3,200 pounds of thrust. 2 groups combined can provide a thrust of 76,800 pounds. Everyone has returned to the shelter. Prepare to detonate.
3, 2, 1. Wow!
The powerful energy quickly propelled the sled towards the end of the track. The scene looks very spectacular. The entire process takes less than a second. Even the concrete wall behind was destroyed by the collision. When they arrived at the scene, discovered that the car only had a pile of parts left. Unfortunately, the car still hasn't shown any signs of fusion. It is obvious that the rumors are false.